Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening YouTube and choosing the Shorts camera or the upload flow. You want a vertical 9:16 clip. You'll import or record the first short now, so trim to the 15-60-second sweet spot and set a clear thumbnail or first frame. Add a concise title and 1-3 targeted tags that match your topic. This helps discoverability. Once done, set visibility to public or unlisted depending on testing, and save the draft if you need to layer more content later. Now repurpose other shorts by extracting strong hooks, CTA, or B-roll and sequencing them into a new short. Import clips, align cuts to beats, and speed ramp where needed to keep energy high. Make sure to add readable captions and a 1-2 second intro that establishes context. Viewers often watch muted. Once the edit flows, use a playlist to group related shorts or pin a comment linking to the next short so viewers can instantly continue your series and increase. Finish by publishing at a peak time for your audience and watching the first 24 to 48 hours of retention and traffic sources. Those metrics tell you what to fix. If retention drops in the first 3-7 seconds, re-edit the opening hook and swap the thumbnail or first frame. Make sure to update tags and the short's description with keywords. If performance remains poor, test an unlisted version with a small audience for feedback, then rework pacing or audio before republishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.